As you can see now, I'm standing underneath a tree. This is the most dangerous place in the world to stand because I'm braver than even Superman. If this tree were to fall on me, I could suffer serious. And now you can see I'm in one of the most dangerous places in the world. It's the middle of the road. Hurricane Sandy is bearing down on us. Winds are at least 4 miles per hour, gusts up to 5 miles per hour. But look at me, because I'm so brave. I'm the bravest reporter probably in America, maybe even in the world. And now, standing in the middle of the road, there's enough rain coming down right now to potentially drown an ant. Yet I stand here in the middle of the rain, bearing it, because I'm very, very tough. And a car comes now, but I stand in the middle of the road. And now I shall quickly run out of the way. Watch. And as you watch the car pass, you'll realize that I only had about 30 seconds to clear it. Had I been in there, 3 cars would have hit me. 3 cars would have hit me. That's how bad this hurricane is. And now I'll go back to the middle of the road. This time I'm going all the way on the other side, because only the toughest reporters might give themselves a 20-second lead to get away from danger before danger consumes them and their camera people. If any of these branches were to fall right now, they would hit that power line, and that power line might fall on my head and electrocute me and make me glow colors like blue and green and silver and partially yellow. So now what I'm going to do is go stand by a very dangerous area as well to show my bravery, since I am, as I've said, probably the bravest reporter in the world. I'm now standing by a ditch. You can't see the depth of this water, but I can just about guarantee you it is no less than 6 inches deep. If I were to fall down right now into that water, face first, I could drown in a matter of minutes. And look at me here. These 5-mile-an-hour winds that will soon be 6 miles an hour and probably gust up to 7 miles per hour are incredibly dangerous. And I do believe that I'll probably be in the running, if not the winner, for a Nobel Peace Prize for this. Thank you for watching.